Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to sync Calendly with Google Calendar in 2025. If you're a busy professional juggling meetings and appointments, this integration will save you tons of time and headaches by keeping everything automatically updated. Let's get started. First off, why bother syncing? Calendly is your go-to for easy scheduling, while Google Calendar keeps your whole life organized. Together, they ensure that when someone books a slot on Calendly, it pops right into your Google Calendar without any manual effort. Plus, with 2025's updates, the process is smoother than ever. Before we jump in, make sure you have active accounts for both Calendly and Google Calendar. Start by logging into your Calendly dashboard. Head over to the Integrations or Connected Apps section. It's usually in the Settings menu. Step 1. Look for the Google Calendar integration option and click on it. You'll be redirected to Google's sign-in page. Enter your credentials to proceed. Step 2. Google will ask for permissions. This is normal. It needs access to read and edit your calendar events. Go ahead and grant those permissions to make the sync work seamlessly. Step 3. Once connected, select which Google Calendars you want to link. If you have multiple calendars, like one for work and one for personal, choose the right ones to avoid mix-ups. Step 4. Save your settings and test it out. Schedule a quick event through Calendly and check if it appears in your Google Calendar. If everything syncs properly, you're all set. One quick tip. If you encounter any errors, double-check your Google account permissions or ensure your Calendly account is up to date. This integration not only streamlines your schedule but also reduces the risk of double bookings. There you have it. Syncing Calendly with Google Calendar is straightforward and a total game changer for productivity. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.